We had a request from several people for us to do this tune. It's one that we used to do years ago, and we haven't done it much recently. But it's called "The Bear Missed the Train," and I hope you enjoy this one. "The Bear Missed the Train."
Well, the bear missed the train. The bear missed the train. The bear missed the train, and now it's gone. Well, you know it's hard to explain how the bear missed the train, but the bear missed the train, and now it's gone. He went from Sacramento all the way to Morro Bay. When the train got into Fresno, that critter slipped away. The bear missed the train. The bear missed the train. I said it, bear missed the train, and now it's gone. Bye, bye, bye.
Oh, G minor. G minor. Yeah. G minor, yeah. So, oh, G minor.